Hare Krishna, dear friends. Today we will discuss about the authenticity of Shri Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Shri Krishna, the founder of Sanatan Dharma, forcefully declared that he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. In Bhagavad Gita, he has stated so many times, Aham, 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 means I and only I am the Supreme Personality of Godhead. For example, Aham Sarvasya Prabhavo, Bhagavad Gita 10:8. I am the source of everything in this universe. Number 2, Aham Hi Sarvajnanam, I am the beneficiary of all sacrifices. Then, Aham Tvam Sarpapebhyo, abandon all the religious activities and surrender unto me, I will deliver you from all sins. Don't worry. Then, Maya Dakshen Prakriti Suite Sachacharam, Bhagavad Gita 9:10, that I am the controller of this material energy which works under my complete direction. Then, Pitahamahasya Jagto Mata Dhata, I am the father, mother, and nourisher of the all living entities of the all universe. Then he says, Ananyas Chintayatamam, Ye Jana Parupaste, Tesham Nit Abhyuktanam, Yog Shehem Vahamyam, means that anybody who leaving all the demigods and all other supreme powers meditate only upon me, I promise to fulfill all his desires. Then next, 529 Bhagavad Gita, Bhoktaram Jagtapsam, Sarvalok Maheshwaram, Suhidam Sarvbhutanam, Gyanta Mam Shintimrichiti. This verse is the 3 point for attaining peace. And I am the beneficiary of sacrifices, Bhoktaram Jagtapsam, Sarvalok Maheshwaram. I am the master of the entire universes, Suhidam Sarvbhutanam. I am the well-wisher of all living beings. The one who knows this, he attains peace. Then, Aham Adirhi Devanam, I am the beginning of all demigods. Then, 4:7, Yada Yada Hi Dharmasya, Glanir Bhavati Bharata, Abhyuthanam Dharmasya, Tadatmanam Srijamyam. Whenever and wherever there is a decline in religious practices, I appear myself to re-establish dharma. Then 4:8, Paritranaya sadhunam, vinashaya cha dushktam, dharma sanstapnarthaya sambhavami yoge. When I appear in this universe, I give pleasure to the devotees and eliminate the miscreants. Then about the demigods, he also said, Tesham Satatyuktam, Bhastam Pritipurukam, Dadame Buddhi Yogam Tam Ye Manupyantite. One who continuously, without fail, meditates upon me, I give him that intelligence by which he can reach to me. These all the statements were supported by Lord Brahma. He said, Ishwara Param Krishna, Satchidanand Vigraha, Anadir Adi Govinda, Sarva Karan Karanam. Shri Krishna is the cause of everything, and Satchidanand Vigraha, his body is full of complete bliss. This verse is in the beginning of Brahma Samhita. Also, he said to Arjuna, when at the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Pashchame Yogmeshwaram, visualize my universal form, which is not of this material world, which is yogam. You can meditate on this form. Then, all these were supported by Vedas also. Vedas describing 24 main incarnations of Lord Vishnu said, Ete chans kalapunsa Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. All the incarnations which I have explained are either not full, either part, or by some gunas. But Krishnastu is the Bhagavan Swayam. Krishna is only the Supreme Personality Godhead. All the incarnations appear from Shri Krishna. Hare Krishna.